Hello guys, how are you doing? If you want to do Windows or Linux or database or network or web security assessments, you will be using some commercial tools. Let's say for example, if you have to use Windows or Linux security configuration reviews, Nessus can check for 400 plus security issues in Windows host configuration review in 2 minutes, and it checks for 200 plus test cases in Linux host configuration review in 2 minutes. But apart from that, you will be checking for 100 plus test cases manually, which cannot be checked by the commercial tools like Nessus or CAS benchmark tools. So you will be using open source tools like LinPeace, WinPeace, Linux Expert Suggester, Linux NM, PowerSploit, Sherlock kind of scripts, but those open source scripts are not trustable and can be detected by antivirus. On CrowdStrike there is an alarm, and they might create a backdoor on the client machine which might cause severe damage to the client machines in future, because these open source tools are continuously development and someone can add exploits in future. So I have developed an approach where you can run hundreds of commands for host configuration reviews, Windows configuration reviews, database configuration reviews in any operating systems without running the script or tool on the client machines. For that, I have developed this tool in C language, and I have put list of commands in a text file. So this tool will take the command from this text file and pass it to a particular client machine and take the screenshot. To demonstrate it, I have opened the Kali Linux VM box. I SSH into Kali machine at the moment. So let's assume that you SSH into the client machine for any database, Windows, Linux, network assessment. So now this tool will get the handle to this window and pass each command and take the screenshot automatically one by one, guys. Now it will make it full screen, execute the command, take the output into the text file, take the screenshot of that particular command. Now it taken the screenshot, guys. Let's see, each command is a unique test case for the Linux operating system at the moment, guys. I have the same for Windows and databases as well. So as you can see, it's checking for like how many home directories are in the particular machine. Is checking whether the password authentication is enabled for this user or not, and is checking whether the permit root login is enabled or not. Previously it was checking for all the users in the machine, sorry for that. It is checking like, since it's not home user, why the service is having the bin bash kind of thing. So now let me exit the screen, guys. As you can see, all the screenshots are created in this folder. Now you can view one by one, and this is just a pilot project, guys, and I can make it further. So with this approach, you don't have to remember the basic commands, and there are multiple benefits with this, guys. For example, time. You can easily save the time by finding 20 plus security issues in first 10 to 20 minutes, and zero effort and zero workload, guys. Fresh mind to start the advanced attacks, and you don't need to remember all basic commands with arguments or proper syntaxes kind of thing, and you're confident to work in 20 to 30 projects if you can, like, automate 100 commands for each kind of thing, where I have done for 10 plus projects easily, and I can do it for more than 30 to 40 projects. It's not just console, guy. In this demonstration I have taken SSH console, but using C language you can pass commands to any window, any GUI window, take down the output kind of thing. So this is it, guys. This is just the basic pilot project.